Hello and welcome to our video exploring in detail group death in service planning. This video includes why you may want to consider this in your business, the tax treatment and the benefits of any policy arranged. This video is brought to you by industry experts Financial Fortress Ltd, independent financial advisors. First of all, what is it? Simply put, group death in service is a cost-effective way for an employer to provide some life cover to its staff as a perk. The business decision makers can either offer this to a selected group of employees, for example the directors themselves or key sales staff perhaps, or all of its employees if it prefers. Group death in service is regarded by a company and its staff as a key perk, with research often indicating that this is highly valued by any staff that are included. So why is group death in service so important? Providing a group death in service policy to your staff can go a long way towards demonstrating an employer's genuine welfare for staff, fostering loyalty and reassurance that you care. If, and we hope not, an employee was to die whilst in employment, a cash sum would be available to the employer to provide the deceased's family with either a lump sum or possibly an income for a period of time. So let's think about it. During a time of horrendous stress, as a responsible employer, you can continue to pay salaries for a period of time. Or, you as the employer could provide a lump sum of cash to help the family cope with their newfound circumstances. So how is a death in service policy set up? A death in service policy is usually arranged on what we call a group and not an individual basis, with a group usually being defined as covering at least 5 staff members. Employees are the lives assured, but there's no individual underwriting, and this means there is no complicated paperwork and no individual assessments of staff members' health, for example. The employer or the company pays the cost of the policy, and the premiums are eligible for tax relief, and therefore being treated as an expense for corporation tax or self-assessment. The policy is set up to provide a multiple of income. For example, the employer could say 4 times each employee's income, but it's usually capped at a maximum of, say, 10 times their income. The more income that you cover, the more expensive a policy would be. The policy is written into something called a trust, meaning it pays out immediately on any employee's death. It pays to the employer, allowing them to make a speedy payment to the deceased staff member's family. Group life policies are agreed and renewed annually and therefore take account of new staff members or any that may have left during the period. Having set up a correct arrangement, in the event of an employee's death, the following will now happen. The employer receives a lump sum of cash, which can then be provided to the surviving family as either a cash lump sum or a replacement income for a period of time. Here are some key facts and benefits. The company gets tax relief on the premiums. There is no tax on the policy proceeds. There's no income tax, inheritance tax, capital gains tax, or any kind of national insurance or P11D implications. There is no implications on pension funding or on the lifetime or annual allowances. And there is an immediate payment on death as the policy has been established under trust. Beneficiaries are flexible as the company has discretion on to whom the proceeds would be paid to. As always, with anything complicated, good, independent financial advice is absolutely key, and at Financial Fortress we have dedicated experts in this field. Your expert will make sure that your plans are set up correctly using the correct policy, trust and agreements. Being independent and whole of market advisors, we will recommend the most cost-effective policy for your needs, and we will ensure all plans are arranged to maximise tax benefits to both individuals and the business itself. If you want to get in touch, please do, and we offer all clients a free, no obligation review, including accurate quotations. And we can be contacted on the phone 01244 319962. You can email us at info@financialfortress.co.uk or visit our website using the information provided on screen. Once again, thanks for watching.